Hey everyone! So, is your AEG dishwasher showing the i44 error code and refusing to run properly? Um, yeah, that error can be frustrating because the dishwasher might stop mid-cycle or not start at all. But the good news is the I44 error is usually related to the wash pump or circulation system, and in many cases you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. So in this guide, I'll show you several simple things you can check to fix the AEG dishwasher I44 error in 2026. First, turn off the dishwasher and unplug it from the power outlet. This is important for safety before checking any internal parts. Sometimes the I44 error appears because of a temporary system glitch. So leave the dishwasher unplugged for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and restart the machine. Next, open the dishwasher and check the spray arms. If food particles or debris block the spray arms, the circulation system may not work properly and can trigger the error. Another common cause is a dirty or clogged filter. Remove the bottom rack, locate the filter at the base of the dishwasher, and rinse it under running water. The I44 error is often linked to the circulation pump. If debris gets stuck near the pump area, the dishwasher may not circulate water correctly. After cleaning the filter and checking the spray arms, close the dishwasher and run a short test cycle. If the dishwasher runs normally without showing the error again, the issue has likely been fixed. If the I44 error still appears after these steps, the circulation pump or internal sensor may need professional repair. And that's it. Those are the easiest ways to fix the AEG dishwasher I44 error in 2026. In many cases, simply cleaning the filter or removing debris from the spray arms can solve the problem. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more quick appliance repair tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.